Oh my God, viewers. Marketing Studio hooks are going insanely viral right now. Now just take a look at these ads I created. You can clearly see how unique, cinematic, and insanely professional these ads look just one click. Okay, viewers. First of all, let me show you something on Google. Right now, I'm searching for keywords like UGC ads. And as soon as I search it, you can instantly see thousands of tutorials appearing everywhere related to UGC ads, product reviews, and marketing advertisements. And viewers, this clearly proves one thing. UGC ads and marketing ads are one of the most trending topics on the internet right now. And viewers, before moving forward, let me also show you something interesting on Upwork. You can literally find freelancing jobs related to marketing ads everywhere on Upwork. People are charging $40, $100, even $200 just for creating short UGC-style marketing videos, which means this skill is insanely profitable right now. Okay, viewers, now without wasting any time, the very first thing you need to do is open the Higgsfield website, because today's entire workflow is going to happen inside Higgsfield. And honestly, viewers, Higgsfield is one of the most powerful AI platforms I've ever used. Inside this single website, you get image generation, video generation, audio generation, AI influencers, marketing tools, apps, and so many advanced AI features. In my opinion, this is easily one of the best AI platforms in the world right now. Now first, let me show you the image section. You can see there are so many powerful new tools available like image generation models, canvas features, GPT tools, image-to-image features, and many more advanced options. And similarly, if we move toward the video section, you can see incredible new models like Seedance 2.0 and many other powerful AI video tools already integrated here. And if we go into the audio section, you'll notice audio tools are also available. Plus, we also have AI influencers, canvas tools, apps, marketing studio, and many more amazing features. But viewers, today's main focus is Marketing Studio hooks. Because today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create insanely high-quality marketing ads with AI in just one click. So without wasting any more time, let's jump directly into Marketing Studio hooks. And let me show you the complete process step by step. Okay, viewers, after clicking on Marketing Studio, first of all, let me give you a quick introduction to this amazing feature. Inside Marketing Studio, you can generate insanely high-quality marketing ads with AI. And the best part? There are so many powerful tools already available here. For example, you get UGC tools, unboxing tools, hypermotion effects, product review styles, virtual try-on features, and many more advanced effects that can help you create professional advertisements very easily. But today, I'm specifically going to show you how to add powerful hooks into your ads. Now, first of all, what exactly is a hook? The first 3 seconds of your video decide everything. Those first 3 seconds determine whether people will skip your ad or continue watching it. And that's exactly why Higgsfield introduced so many different hook styles inside Marketing Studio. For example, you get product hunt hooks, spicy hooks, interview hooks, random object mic hooks, epic camera effects, product crush effects, and many more creative options. Basically, these hooks make the first 3 seconds of your video insanely engaging so viewers don't skip your advertisement. Now after that, if we move into the settings section, this is where you can set your scene. For example, you can place your AI influencer inside a bedroom, bathroom, nature environment, airplane, train, kitchen, or almost anywhere you want. So today, I'm going to show you the complete process of generating a proper professional marketing ad using hooks, settings, avatars, and products together. Okay, viewers, first of all, I'm selecting the UGC style option. After selecting UGC style, I'm simply uploading my first product. And after uploading the product, I'm selecting my AI avatar that I already generated earlier. This time, I'm choosing a female avatar named Aura Girl. Perfect. Now my product and avatar are both added successfully. After that, inside the hook section, I'm selecting the Product Crush hook style. And inside the settings section, I'm selecting the bedroom scene. Okay viewers, now everything looks absolutely perfect. So finally, I'm clicking on the generate button. And as you can see, my very first AI marketing ad has officially started generating. Now, one thing I want to tell you guys, you need to be a little patient here, because once the first result appears, you'll instantly realize how insanely powerful this tool actually is. And after waiting for a few moments, oh my God, this is absolutely amazing. Honestly, I don't even think real influencers can create ads this professional so quickly. Just look at the cinematic style, look at the quality, and most importantly, look at the first 3 seconds. You can clearly see how powerful and engaging the hook style looks. It immediately grabs attention and makes the viewer continue watching the ad. And after that, you can see the AI girl naturally reviewing the product like a real influencer. This is seriously incredible. Now let me generate another example for you. This time, I'm removing everything first. And now I'm switching to the unboxing option. After selecting unboxing, I'm going into hooks and choosing the product hunt hook style. Then, inside the settings section, I'm selecting the train scene. Perfect. Now I'm uploading another product. This time, I already have a speaker product ready. And I want the AI influencer to perform an unboxing review of this speaker. After that, I'm uploading a male avatar that I already created earlier. And finally, I'm clicking on Generate again. As you can see, my second video has now started generating as well. Again, viewers, you only need a little patience. And boom! Oh my God, viewers. Have you ever seen an ad where a guy is traveling inside a moving train while introducing his Nike shoes through an unboxing-style marketing video? Just look at how cinematic and realistic this advertisement looks. Now, before selecting my final product, this time, I'm choosing the tutorial option. Then, inside hooks, I'm selecting the camera hook style. And after that, inside the settings section, I'm selecting the kitchen scene. Now, I'm simply uploading my product. And after uploading the product, I'm selecting another avatar. Perfect. Now I'm clicking on Generate once again. And finally, this will be my last example because by now, you've already seen how powerful the results are. Again, we'll wait a few moments, and boom! Okay viewers, now just look at this. You can see this AI girl beautifully explaining an air fryer product inside the kitchen environment. This is exactly why Higgsfield Marketing Studio is such a powerful AI tool for content creators, freelancers, and brands. Okay viewers, now I've clicked on the upgrade option. You'll get the Plus plan, the Ultra plan, and the Business plan. And trust me viewers, once you start using these powerful AI tools, you'll realize how insanely easy and professional content creation has become. I'll see you guys in the next video with another exciting AI tool and another amazing tutorial. Until then, goodbye and take care.